Hello everyone, in this video we'd like to share how to remove the factory radio from the Ford territory, and this one is 2009 model. And yeah, we start with the factory head unit here, which already removed, and we will talk about this one, the new system, later, even though we already fit the new one, but we can describe it easily how to remove the factory one. So have a look at what the factory unit was here before. It stayed like this before here. Okay, so you can imagine that is how easily to do it. So at first we need a few tools, very simple. We have three of them in hands. So the first one is plastic trim removal tool, second one is screwdriver, and the last one is 8mm socket. Okay, so start with the plastic trim removal tool. You want to slide under here, and you pop up this frame and remove this plastic frame. It has 1 and 2 plastic trim lock at the bottom, and then after you lift it up, you slide it up. Actually, that's it, and you will see one screw here under it, another second screw underneath here, and just unscrew it. And after that, you can slide this frame. Okay, just slide this frame down and go out, because this one slide underneath of the top frame here, so this one slide underneath of the top frame. Very easy. It's held by only 2 screw under here, and then it will pop out easily. And after that, you will want to put your hands here and pull out the little pocket that has the power cigarette lighter pot. This little pocket is held by just plastic clip by itself. So on the left and on the right, you can pull it out and you can easily disconnect the power for the cord behind this little pocket. And now you actually see 4 8mm screw, one here, one under here, one here, and one under here. So just unscrew 4 of the 8mm screw and you're almost there. Now look on the top here. Okay, so you have the cover here. Just use the plastic remove tool and put it under here, and you try to lift it up. Actually, it is held here by 1 and 2 plastic clip. Just pop it up from this side, and then it just come out straight away. 1 and 2 clip. Okay, and after that, you would see one screw on the top meter holding the factory head unit. So just unscrew that one, and that's all you need to do. From there, put one of your finger down here, one of your hand down here, and one of your hand on top, and then you can pull the head unit out. Okay, but before you want to go further, just hold on for a second. Before you want to pull this head out very further out, you will want to disconnect 4 of the connector at the bottom. After you already remove this pocket, you will see 4 cable at the bottom. Okay, it's hard to see. You have to look up, from here, and you put your finger in and press. So the connector on this side, you actually press it from this side. This one you press it this way, this one you press this way, the other one pretty much the same. Press and pull down, press and pull down. 4 of them, a bit hard to pull it down, but you will get it. Okay, 4 of them. So basically after that, you can freely remove the head unit out first, and don't move it too far. Okay, you can move the gear stick backward and give space and stop right here. And you want to disconnect another little square cable at the bottom as well, when you actually can go out further. And from there, start following our instruction to transfer the event, transfer the key receiver and the body control modules into the new system. So that's the way we do. And yep, that's for territory. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.